Hello students, welcome to part 7 of chapter Morphology of Flowering Plants. Today we will discuss what is phyllotaxy. So the mode of arrangement of leaves on the stem or any of its branches is called as phyllotaxy. The word phyllotaxy is derived from two words. Phylon means leaf and taxis means arrangement. So arrangement of leaves on the stem. There are three types of phyllotaxy: alternate phyllotaxy, opposite phyllotaxy, and whorled phyllotaxy, also called as verticillate phyllotaxy. Alternate phyllotaxy can be seen in mango, hibiscus, sunflower. Here, if you see, on every node, alternately the leaves are arranged. So here, this is the stem, or you can say a branch. This is first node, second node, third node, fourth node, and only one leaf is present on each node, that too on alternate side. So such type of phyllotaxy can be found in mango, hibiscus, sunflower. Second type of phyllotaxy is opposite phyllotaxy. It is of two types: opposite decussate and opposite superposed. In opposite decussate, you will see that at every node, two leaves are arranged, two leaves are coming out, and if these two leaves are in north and south direction, at the next node, the other pair of leaf which are coming on the opposite sides are at 90 degree to this, so it will be at east and west. Again at the upper node, it will be in north and south direction. So at every node, a pair of leaf is coming and they are at alternate, at right angle to each other. This is opposite decussate type of phyllotaxy. This can be seen in case of Calotropis, or that is rui plant, or Ocimum santum, that is tulsi leaves are showing opposite decussate phyllotaxy. Opposite superpose, it is a very much simple type. This is node, node, node. On first node, suppose there is a pair of leaf coming on opposite side. On the second node, again a pair of leaf will come exactly above it. So they are facing the same direction. They are facing the same direction. Suppose this is east west, this also will be east west, and a pair is coming on every node. So this is opposite superposed. So you can see such type of leaves in jamun, that is Cesium cumini, or guava, that is Cydium guajava. The last is the whorled phyllotaxy. In whorled phyllotaxy or verticillate phyllotaxy, from one node more than two leaves are arising and they are arranged in a whorl, in a circle. Such type of phyllotaxy is called as whorled phyllotaxy or verticillate phyllotaxy, which can be seen in oleander or nerium. So here in this picture you can see this is a node and three leaves are coming from this node. So it is a whorled or a verticillate phyllotaxy. So this is a whorled or a verticillate phyllotaxy. So again we revise: three types of phyllotaxy are alternate, one leaf alternate at each node; opposite, opposite decussate; and superposed. Decussate, at every node the leaves are at right angles to each other. Opposite superposed, the opposite leaves are at every node are placed one above the other, whereas in verticillate they are in more than two in a whole at each node. So students, I hope you have understood. In next video, we will study about types of venation. Thank you.